Okay, you guys, we're outside playing, aren't we? See, we're outside playing. Oh my gosh. It's so fun. The weather's so nice finally. Yes, we get to go inside and play for the first time. Oh my goodness. You guys are so cute. You're so fun. You'd like to explore now? Little yellow. Oh, she's like, what are we doing outside? You guys have some mush on your noses? Hi, cutie pie. Hi, cutie pie. Hi, buddy. I say, my goodness, this world is getting bigger and bigger every day, isn't it? We get to go to new spots all the time, and the world is just getting bigger and bigger. Started in that quiet little puppy nursery, and now here we are. Just 4 weeks later, you guys, here we are. Hi, little orangey boy. Hi. Oh, hi. Hi. Being outside is so good for you. You get to be socialized to so many things and you don't even know it. Yeah. We even have the cat outside. The cats actually love the puppies. They like to think that they're playing. Oh my goodness. Little Pinky over there playing with the shrub. Everyone's looking so good though. Oh my goodness, really? Really? Hi, buddy. Hi, sweet peas. You guys are just so stinking cute. I cannot even. No, I just cannot even. Oh my goodness. Hi. Hi, you guys.